Let's talk about one of the best-selling phones of all time. It's not an iPhone, and it's not super expensive. It's Samsung, it's cheap, and it's awesome. It's the A15 5G. The A16 5G is about to come out in December this year, and you know what they're going to do? They're going to absolutely ruin it. I knew it was too good to be true. One of the world's best-selling phones, the Samsung A15 4G and 5G versions are getting updated in December 2025, and the A16 series, instead of getting better specs, because if you go from the A15 to the A16, you want better specs, it's going to go backwards. It's going to be a downgrade. The Galaxy A16 5G is going to come with a large 6.7-inch LCD screen. Who does that? From a Super Amoled display to an LCD screen? What are you thinking? They're going to give us an LCD screen. Disgusting. Look, the A15 right now has got a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, getting peak brightness of 800 nits. But now, the updated, newer, fresher, better, should be anyway, A16 is going to have 800 nits of peak brightness and no change, a 5,000 milliamp battery, no change there. It's going to be slightly bigger at 6.7 inches on the screen. It's now IP54 certified as well, which means it can withstand dust and light splashes, and that's good because you won't care about it anymore because the screen is going to be LCD. Oh, and did I tell you? It's going to be more expensive, of course. You get the worst screen and you have to pay more money for it. That makes sense. For RAM, options include 4 gig, 6 gig, and 8 gig. For storage, it's 128 gig or 256 gig. Samsung will provide 6 major Android updates and 6 years of security patches, which is great, but please fix the LCD screen. Already, I'm not interested. I got the iPhone 15 Pro, so I'm used to a pretty nice screen. I was thinking the A16 5G could be a nice secondary phone. I could use it to shoot some B-roll, but already, if the screen is going to be LCD, I'm not interested. The screen is one of the most important things. The screen and the battery, they're the most important things, right? The screen, the thing that you consume content on, the thing you spend all your time swiping and scrolling, right? I have read reports that in the end, it might actually come with a Super AMOLED display. So I don't know what's going on. Will it be LCD or will it be Super AMOLED display? Are people just getting their write-ups wrong? Their press releases are just making them up? Or is Samsung like changing its mind as we speak? Let me know your thoughts in the comments real quick. What phone do you have? What screen has it got? Would you ever consider the A15 5G or the forthcoming A16 5G? Maybe you have the A15 and you're thinking of getting the upgrade to the A16. Would the LCD screen stop you? I think it might. Subscribe, comment, and like, and get involved.